As a leading manufacturer of custom clothing, I've had the privilege of working with brands all over the world to bring their designs to life. Today, we're going to settle an important debate in the world of custom printing: DTG versus screen printing. Which method is better for your brand? I'll be breaking down the strengths of each so you can make an informed decision for your next project. And if you're ready to create your own line, reach out to us on WhatsApp 9232862 for 3379 or email tailormadewares@gmail.com. At Tailor Made Apparels, we offer a minimum order of 50 pieces with a 14-day turnaround. So let's get started. Let's start with DTG direct-to-garment printing. DTG uses state-of-the-art inkjet technology to apply water-based inks directly onto the fabric. The result? Vibrant, high-resolution prints that capture every detail, making this method ideal for designs with gradients, photos, or intricate artwork. One of DTG's biggest advantages is that it requires minimal setup, making it cost-effective for smaller runs and unique, one-off designs. It's perfect for brands that need fast turnaround times or want to experiment with different designs. Next, let's talk about screen printing, a more traditional but incredibly reliable method. In screen printing, each color in your design requires a separate screen. This makes the process more labor-intensive but perfect for bold, vibrant designs with limited colors. One key advantage is durability. Screen-printed garments can withstand heavy wear and multiple washes while retaining color integrity. This method shines for larger orders where consistency and cost efficiency are crucial. Now, let's compare the two. DTG is best for detailed, multicolor designs and works well for small batch orders or when you want a quick production turnaround. However, DTG prints are less vibrant on dark fabrics, which is something to keep in mind depending on your design. Screen printing, on the other hand, excels with larger orders and solid color prints. It's highly cost-effective for bulk production, and the prints are exceptionally durable. However, it involves more setup, which means longer lead times and higher costs for smaller orders. So, if you're just starting out and need a limited quantity with intricate designs, DTG is the way to go. But if you're looking for long-lasting prints on bulk orders, screen printing is your best bet. At Tailor Made Apparels, we specialize in both DTG and screen printing, offering the best of both worlds depending on your project needs. Whether it's a detailed design on a limited run or a bulk order requiring bold, long-lasting prints, we've got you covered. We work closely with brands to ensure their designs are executed to perfection, with a minimum order of just 50 pieces and a fast 14-day turnaround. Your brand's success is our priority. So, whether you choose DTG or screen printing, the choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're ready to bring your custom designs to life, contact us today via WhatsApp at 9232862 for 3379 or email at tailormadewares@gmail.com. Let's create something extraordinary for your brand.